Hello guys, positive energy on.
Yay!
Maybe she might want to bathe there.
You know. Ooh, okay, it's removing its head. Then my feet like that.
So that this is just because he loves me. I will jump.
I'm satisfied. Lanta Kamara. Hello. Akina siku hizi Nairobi atakupata machungwa 5 ni ngumu. 10.
Daddy. Good.
Yes. Hello guys, hello where we are. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Oh, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching this from. My name is Arnold and welcome back to this channel. Today's another new day, positive energy only. Today I'm here with two people. Who are you?
I am Romilly. I am a girl. I want to say only hi.
Okay, and you?
I'm Faulata. I am a girl, a big girl. I want you to I want to show you my skills here.
Hey.
Go pato.
Wow, Romilly looks good.
Thank you.
These are just for the holiday.
You look good like daddy.
No. You have to make it parangoto.
No, daddy will be me. My hair will be like yours.
No, you have to make it parangoto.
What is kiparangoto? Goto ni nani baba?
Kukua kama una nywele, si ndio mami?
Kwa smart kama daddy.
Tuwanyoe, si ndio?
Tutawanyoa. Tubaki kitu ya kunyoa, alafu tuwanyoe.
Where did you learn how to do hair like this?
It's do like that.
It's not you, it's mommy.
Okay.
Let me tell her.
I was doing the grass when I was a small girl. Now I'm a big girl, I'm doing it on here.
Does this skill help? Has it helped you in any way?
A lot.
How?
Now I don't have to pay for her to go to the salon.
Okay.
Yes, or for me to go to the salon. Can do it on my own.
And how is it helping you back here at Shags?
Check it out. See, in Shags now you get to save because even for the salons they're far away. They're far away, they're very far away. So you have to travel a long distance. You will have to pay for the transport. And then you go to the salon, you have to pay expensive because there are few of them over here.
Have you ever considered monetizing the skill?
Not really.
Why?
I just like to do it for fun.
For fun? You can monetize it and do it for fun.
Maybe someday, but I'm not comfortable plating other people. I just love plating people who are around me.
The babies here.
Sorry.
So you should also put, if my hair becomes long, you'll also plait my hair.
Yes, I will. If you want some braids, I can do it for you.
And you, Reginald?
Like you will have to pay me. Now you have to pay me for your daughter. Now this is a way of monetizing. You pay me because I have done your daughter's hair.
How do you want me to pay?
I want money.
Money? Money only?
Yes.
I can't pay you in other forms.
That will be a way of empowering me.
I can pay you by taking you out.
Ufai kuambia daddy boy. Ndo ni mtu mkuu.
Sie ni baba yako.
Like
Angekupeleka salon angelipa. Now that I'm doing it for you, he has to pay me. That is a way of empowering me.
Lakini wewe ni mother na wewe ni father.
Yes.
So he still has to pay me.
I will pay you by taking you out.
You still have to pay me.
I'll take you out.
No, taking me out is your job.
It's my responsibility.
Part of your job.
It's my duty.
It's your duty.
And responsibility.
And responsibility.
Okay.
So it's also your duty and responsibility to pay for your daughter's hair. That way you will empower me and you will help me to even go and look for more customers.
But you've said you don't like plaiting other people's hair.
I don't like, but I might consider.
Okay. Okay, so finish plaiting her hair so that I have an activity for Romilly and you and Reginald.
And you ask
Me, I'll be recording you.
Yay! Okay. Toodles.
Good morning, guys. My name is Arnold and I'm here with my lovely wife
Faulata.
And today we are here at the countryside. What do we have for breakfast?
Today we are having pixies, oranges.
Yeah, we're having pixies for breakfast. And I want to show Lihabi around this place. There's a famous river across our home. Is it across our home or near our home? Around,
Somewhere around.
Yeah, so I'll be going to show her how it looks. Maybe she might want to bathe there.
You know. Kambas don't bathe in the river.
You don't bathe in the river? Okay, so just join us. You can see the environment is quite green.
The weather is so green.
The weather is green.
The environment is so green and the weather is so chilly today.
So chilly. So let me give Lihabi a chance to greet you guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. You're always welcome to join us and walk with us as we take you around our village. Well, today, Arnold has been telling me about this river and I've never really had the chance to see it. Now I want to see it. It's very early in the morning. It's around 8 in the morning, and
there are no people on there.
I don't have people around here at this time, and it's a Monday. Imagine, siku ya biashara. But anyway, I'm just going to take that walk. We're going to have that stroll. Let me see how it is. It actually rained throughout the night, and I'm hoping that I will get some water. Because what I've come to realize about the rivers around this place is that they usually dry up in the dry season. Seasonal rivers. So I want to get to see this one, especially now that it rained in the night. I want to see if there'll be water or not, and just have the experience, the countryside experience. And that's it.
So guys, it has been quite a long journey for us during the building process. It has not been easy. And we appreciate every step we make. We might not be where we are or where we wanted to be, but we are thankful for where we are. And we have faith that God is going to open more doors for us to complete our project.
That big tree.
Hey, look at this big tree.
Very huge.
Very huge. Like Kitambo, where people, they believe that people are coming to worship or to make sacrifice there.
Okay. So the journey.
So it has not been easy for us. Yes, these are banana plantations. See,
all the way.
When he harvests it, it will be looking so good. Or these are the kind of bananas that mature when they are still small. Or the sweet bananas.
We'll see when we come back next time.
So about our project, you can say that one of the things that has assisted us is that we have been doing it in phases. So even now, I believe that even if we don't have the funds, we'll still come back.
We have hope, and we're praying that the doors and windows of opportunities will open up for us.
Yeah, but we may continue the project. And sometimes, if you're not strong in faith, Nessa, the green is greening. The way it's going downwards, the road is sloping downwards. So the river is down there.
Oh, so it's down here. Bridge.
Initially, cars used to pass here, but the water broke the bridge. So cars no longer pass here.
Plants.
So barabara waitu.
Not that it's close, even when you decide. You create the road, but even when you stop using it, nature will still take its course. But I love the green. Looks good.
Alafu kwa juu kulikuwa na mtu amepanda onion farm.
Ilikuwa hapo? I remember. Mlivuka hii bridge. Mlivuka the river.
But I'm not sure if there's
no water.
There's water.
There's no water, I can see.
Not really on the fence.
Okay, maybe this might be cheaper.
This is cheaper, yes.
But I don't have confidence with my own gate.
This one looks like your gate now.
It looks like my gate. The only difference are the posts. But I would want for a fence for it to be stronger than this. But I would understand anyway. People use what they have.
You can't judge a person based on what they have used. I guess there's some water down there.
And we have some space over there.
You see, soil erosion.
Oh, it's soil erosion?
Yeah. Because water comes from up there. Come and see what is this.
Ooh. Okay, it's removing its head. Come here. I show you.
But
like inside. It will spit. Look at it. It looks cute. Hiya.
It loves girls.
Sindo nashangaa imenipenda. I thought it would hide instead. But it's moving, no? I don't understand why you people have these things around.
This guy used to know Kata. He used to be my friend. But then I think he doesn't know me now.
You know him? Oh, I can see the water. Oh, because it's been raining. It's big.
When there's a lot of water, it can be scary.
I know it would come up to there, up to here. Anyway, it's still used to have such a carriage. We used to get a blessing. I know you can still throw, but there's a lot of that.
You can hear water?
Something like a waterfall. So, you posted Mom. It was completely dry.
Yeah, there was no water. Even I don't know how this man is going to cross. Let's wait and see.
Let me ask you something because I can see sand there. Do those people come to fetch sand from here?
I'm not sure.
This is a river.
Simeon. Najua unijui? Mimi nakujua vizuri sana.
Nimeanza kukumbuka haki. Vipi?
Poa sana.
Umetembea kwa mto kidogo?
Umetembea kwa mto?
Yenyewe.
Nataka kuona vile utaruka.
Mimi narukia tu hapa. Hii ndio njia yangu kwenda shule. Naenda duty hapa shule kidogo. Madam,
si shule zimefungwa?
Tunaenda duty, tunaenda duty. Angalia shule inakaaje.
Okay.
Kuna watoto upande huo. Sasa nataka kwenda kuona wamefanya nini.
Sasa ndio ruti yako?
Hii ndio ruti yangu. Niingilia hapa na pika pale.
Utaruka aje ama unatoa viatu?
Mimi natoa, inabidi.
Hakuna boat?
Lakini pale huwa narukia pale.
Alafu unapandia huko?
Vile nimeshindwa kutembea upande ule pale kuna ile mawe. Hapo kwa tunaruka. Sasa hapa nimeona kibarua ni ngumu. Naona mpaka huko unajua pale kuna maji. Ile nyasi.
Hii mto haina samaki?
Walikuwa wanataka kuweka hapa. Hii wamedelay hapo.
Hiyo maji ni deep.
Sasa kijaa tu tunapita juu huko kwa bridge.
Okay. Kuna bridge?
Huko.
Lakini iko mbali.
Naenda chuluni. Ushazoea sisi.
Haogopi kudungwa?
Hapana, hapa hakuna kitu cha kudunga hapa.
Nataka kupitia.
Hapa unaweza teleza, unaona hii? Unateleza mtu anaanguka.
Iko slippery?
Kabisa.
Sisi tumekuja kuona maji. Hata kuna zitaenda. So this is moving water, so
You can drink it.
you can't. It looks milky. Sasa pamoja.
That is fun, but
But it's
I
scary.
respect water. There's a point there, it's giving that bubbly sound like a waterfall.
So ukijenga nyumba huku utakuwa unasikia tu ka sound. But it can be scary.
But this is nice because at this time you can direct the water to your place.
Yes, yes. Si ule mtu wa mahindi. Anatoanga maji hapa.
Anishi side gani?
Sijui but near around the river, almost close to the river.
That guy sells maize even off season. Oh, yeah. And there he's selling expensive. Just because
You want to put your...
Yes, I want to because my legs are quite barren.
Should I excuse you here?
No.
Hapa hii position ni poa.
And I'm also not Ashton, so nameenda kiendanga.
Ameenda. Niko short at it.
Baby, hii itakuuma.
Yeah.
This one. Just really hata sijui which one can bite. Akiwa don't need. No.
It is floating.
Sasa kanapelekwa. It's too powerful. You move for me to go.
Let me just come and sit here. This place is very comfortable. You can't fall.
I need your support.
This place is so comfortable. You can see there's a sitting position there.
There's a lot of sun for those people who are building. And they normally here that they go to the limit. I look there my feet are dirty.
They're dirty.
We've walked a lot and there's a lot of mud due to the rain. But then we were not home early in the morning. We had gone somewhere else and then we just came back. Now we decided to come to the river.
See, they will see where we have been.
Where
We were-
they won't see.
We did carry the camera.
Yes.
Please take care of shoes. If it goes, it goes.
I was really good in fact, even if you walk barefoot, now you get dirty and
sure.
everything. I want to clean them.
I feel like taking you a photo so that you may go and show people from Western that we have water, we have rivers.
Don't look at my nails.
Nobody can see them. But I really wish there was sun.
Sun?
The light, light.
Yeah. It feels good and it's warm. It's not even cold. My fingers are acting as the brush today. I wish we had the chance to visit that farm again. Right now I've heard that they're selling the onions very expensive.
Because it is not in the market.
River. Someone is going to ask if we go everywhere with the lesson. This is the Kambani.
If Romy was here, she would have wanted to go inside like you.
Yeah. They could with some support. They would love it, but maybe.
This GoPro is waterproof.
I know, and I know that's what you want to try, but please don't. Kaiona kale kakitu kana move kwa maji.
What? I can't see it.
Like a small animal kanaenda. But ina move. Ona ile.
Nimekaan.
Yeah. Hii mtu anaweza ongea vizuri.
Tunafanya kwa video call na Nyanga sasa kuonyesha there's water here.
Mto. Nilikuwa watu wanabeti kutengeneza watoto. Especially nikiwa kwa vile unajua. Tutawatembeza next time. I'm going to get a makeover. Kuna vile the plantation along the riverside imekata. And since there's a way there.
Wow, by the way.
It's creepy.
By the way, it looks creepy. Should we go?
Yeah, go. I love adventure.
Okay, bye bye. But this place you can slide. Let's see what's on the other side. Will you come? There's a road here, which I'm not sure. Just here down. Hapa tu chini tu kuna karut. Alafu you can step on that stone there, the first one, then the second one, then there's this one here. Then this one here, you can step on this one too. So let's go and explore what's on the other side of the reef. Unaweza kuja kufanya picnic huko.
Mimi.
Sio wewe. There's a route here. Mbona nipatia vibes za ile place tulikuanga?
Ile akare.
Ololua. Come, baby. Wait, I break this. Poop za watu ama za mbwa. You don't want to go there?
You want to go?
To go where there is the waterfall there.
Let's do that. Problem. You always want to take me to this place. It's the last day. Because here it seems easier.
It is easier to pass here. Quick. Oh, pass here.
No, but this one looks slippery.
No problem, even if I slip.
No problem.
You're scared.
Mister, no problem.
Let me jump.
Marunisha yanguka. Nasema jina nimekuta nayo. Kumbuka wewe ni baba ya mtu.
You're scared.
You're a father to many.
Let me make sure.
Baby, I don't want to sleep.
Let me just try. Say, count to 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, go.
It's just because you love me.
Utarudi Nairobi na mapengo.
If you break my heart, I will jump.
You jump.
Break my heart, I'll jump. You want me to jump? You want me to jump?
This is not high enough.
But it looks good. You can just come in, relax.
You remove your shoes.
You
add. We had things to do before we came here. Nimekutafuta kutoka mbali. Hebu tuende. Let's go back.
I think I take a closer look. So, are you good? You okay?
I'm very much fine. Let's go. I'm satisfied.
Sure.
I'm contented.
Are you sure?
Very sure. 100%. Let's go back.
She wanted me to take her to the river. I've brought her to the river. She's satisfied. Now let's go back.
Let's go back. They're growing everywhere.
What are these?
I heard it's called lantamakamara.
You heard? You don't know?
These are the fruits. No, I don't know.
These are the flowers.
These are the flowers, and this is the plant. So I'm looking for these ones.
Can you taste and tell us how it tastes?
Right, and I'm scared of tasting, but I've ever seen you and your brother eating.
It's edible. You can eat.
It's edible.
It's sweet.
They're sweet.
It's sweet.
So the unripe ones look like this. They're green. I don't want to can show. These ones are not yet ripe. And then when you find the dark ones, now they say that these ones have ripened.
They will make your poop dark in color.
But this one is too little. It's too little. They have a big significance.
A little goes a long way.
I wish you saw them as we were going to the river, because you would have watched them there.
This akachi my dad normally uses, but it's not this one. Yeah, it's this one. It has a quite strong, distinct smell. Every time he wants to go and bless.
The holy water.
Yes, he uses.
How does he use this specific one?
No, I guess the smell chases away the devil.
Really? Maybe we should go and plant it in our place.
It grows naturally. You can't
I
plant it.
always see him looking for it, that specific one. And he must find it. He can't use any other ingredient.
It has a strong smell, right?
Oh baby, nataka.
Should we just eat it? Is it sweet?
Ni kama ni chafu.
It's this. What is this plant called? Can you tell us?
It has a seed inside.
Yeah, it has a seed. You just suck. Then you throw away the seed.
It tastes like another fruit I know, but I can't remember the name. Here's the seed.
You've done it justice.
They're sweet, they're sugary.
They're sweet. You can take them in place of food.
How many will it take for you to get full?
Yeah, the funny
They're
thing,
too tiny.
no matter how many fruits you take, you won't. Okay,
Feel full.
You'll just feel full for some time then. Which tree is this?
Okay.
There's a very big tree there. It looks dry.
It's not like the other one. It's like a maombe.
Let's go and see.
Okay. You want some? You want some?
No, I'm good.
Very good today.
I want to go and take some chapatis.
I won't record you.
I want to go and take some chapatis. I don't want my poop to be black.
I won't. Very tiny effect. Goats everywhere.
Yes. Which tree is this?
I have no idea.
It looks dry.
It looks dry. The way it's been raining.
Yeah, it looks fun.
I can't do
But I don't know. Yes, I don't even know what to say.
I guess we're back from the river, and look who's lighting up the fire.
It's Folata!
Arnold himself.
This thing is giving me a difficult time.
It's giving me a difficult time because it rained and it's a bit wet, but we need some hot water.
Yes. Really hope it's going to light.
It's lighting, it's good.
I've tried, I've done a good job.
We want to bathe before we leave, so we need to warm some water, but it seems like it's drizzling even up. It's drizzling, but we hope to light up and we'll get some
hot water.
Hot water.
It's
chilly. It's past 9. It's around 10. Usually by 7 the sun is usually up in this place, so I don't understand why it's like this today.
It's 10.
It's 10?
Yeah, so you have 1 hour to prepare.
Akona?
Na moto ishawaka.
Sasa tushaacha. Itamsaidia next time, si ndio?
Ndio nasikia vibaya.
So guys, we leave the water and we go and have some breakfast. You coming with me?
Yes, I'm coming with you, baby. Sawa, atu hizi zonya mvua nataka nikuwe naenda hadi West.
Ni West sai?
Si ndio iko peponi. Ile Parklands walifunga.
Lolo.
Kama mbuzi.
Mbona wamekata hiyo?
Lingani wamekata huko kidogo ama kubwa.
Lona.
Zinazama ukimwachilia hapa. Hiyo ni machungwa ngapi? Ana tulipe hiyo pesa.
Ni Mama Romi.
3 4 5 5. Na akina siku hizi Nairobi atakupata machungwa 5 ni ngumu. Ni 10.
Daddy.
Wewe.
Kile sasa ishatoka. Na hawezi kula matunda nini?
Wanakula hiyo ni matawi.
Lakini ni hasara.
Tuachilie hapa nje.
Ataharibu kila kitu.
Barami leo unafaa kutengenezea orange tea.
Orange tea kwa nini?
Kama lemon. Hiyo orange yenye ni green.
Hizi ni kali hata itatoa juice.
Shika Romi. Not Romi. Reji
shika.
Otamu. Anapenda ikiwa hivyo ama nimtolee kwa sahani. Pambana tu kwa kitu.
Reji pe. Reji pe.
Anakujua.
Atakulea wapi?
Anateseka. Yako sawa?
Reji pe dadi.
Nipatie nini kijiko?
Reji pe. Reji please. Pe dadi. Pe dadi.
Agwe kwa msumbua. Haya mshikie basi. Patia Na wewe utakula nini?
Ewe.
Sisi wewe ngopoa. Sawa.
Ni ya kutoa maji na una water plant.
Tamu.
Naomba shosho.
Chukua hiki hapo kule.
Sukule hiyo basi.
Nikule hii baba. Asante.
Utakula ama atakusaidia kukula. Kusongea hivyo.
We were sparks on quiet streets, 2 hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3.
Inachanga kusaji mimi ni kama kila saa tukishinda huko tukosangi papa.
Si papa ya ipafanya. Ni ya kwenda kwema. Isipokuwa sasa itakuzwa hapo na mbuzi pande. Italeta shida. Lakini haina shida.
So
yaani itakuwa imegrow.
Sonisha Marome pali tutapanda.
Mnapanda tule.
Haina shida.
Kuna zile zingine mbili hatujui pale zilipotea.
Kwa mandizi, kwa nini? Kwa papai. Hapa Malenge. Nimefika hapo ndani.
Nipatie Romi nionje.
Unatamani
Romi anakulanga mbegu.
Hii mbegu yote atakula?
Utakula hiyo yote?
Haini mingi.
Ni mingi.
Toa kidogo.
Weke hapo tutapanda hizo zingine.
Samia kwa tumbo.
Eka hapo kwa nini? Eka hapo kidogo.
Hii nakula tunapenda pasta.
Mchana.
Hebu tutakula kwa naye.
Na mwalimu nilikuwa nampelekea pale anakula kwa nduka anaulizana. Naona ile papai yako.
Ulikuwa unamuzia?
Ai, nilikuwa bure.
How much? 50 bob. Hebu sikia kama ikubwa 50 bob.
Hiyo yote.
Na tena ukimuzia 50 bado analia.
Ana bargain.
Sio 30 bob.
Hai. Kubwa hivi.
Ulisikiaje hiyo nini papai? Anasema ni tamu. Wewe nikatenje umetoa kwa shamba yako. Shamba yangu ina hiyo ni ya mama. Ni ya mama.
Nasha vile mbuzi livunja hii branch. This is what our goats did yesterday. They broke this branch from the tree. Now we are 5 mangoes, 5 oranges.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then now we are 5 oranges less from our orange tree. Now look at Romi's hairstyle. We did this at night. There was a blackout, but we managed to do it. And this is the work of my hands. I'm a proud mommy. Romi, how do you feel about your hair?
Good.
You feel good?
Yes.
Very beautiful. Very,
Thank
very beautiful. You're welcome. Show us the side. The other side. Yes, nice. Beautiful. And Shosho gave you the beads.
Yeah.
Good job, good job. Now let's go.
We were sparks on quiet streets, 2 hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names?